Hey everyone, I'm Dale Schlegel, owner of Tailored Insurance Solutions, and this is another episode of Tuesdays with Tailored. Today we're going to talk about replacement cost and market value. Do you understand the difference? If you don't, let's talk about them. So many times replacement cost and market value are used interchangeably, but that's wrong. They have completely different meanings. So let's go over them. Market value is more relative to the real estate market, and that takes into account the land, the location, and many other factors that determine the desirability of a property. So this is the value that's put on a home to determine what it's worth in the current housing market. Replacement cost, on the other hand, focuses specifically in the insurance industry, and it takes into consideration only the prices of construction and labor to rebuild the structure of the home. It refers to the dollar amount that it would cost to rebuild that house from the ground up. So many times on your homeowner's insurance policy, you'll see a big discrepancy between the replacement cost of the home or what you've paid for the home as the purchase price. So here's an example of that. You purchase a 1,200 square foot townhome in a very desirable part of town in a main city, and the house might cost you $500,000. But if you picked that home up and put it in a different spot, it might cost you $250,000. But the insurance policy says the replacement cost of the building itself, no matter where that building is put, is $300,000 in labor and construction, or labor and materials. So the insurance policy is going to cover the structure itself, whether you pick it up and put it in a major city, or if you put it in the suburbs, or if you put it in a rural part of town. It is going to cost X amount to rebuild that house. So hopefully this helped explain the difference between replacement cost and market value and how it might reflect on your insurance policy. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll update this channel every Tuesday with an episode of Tuesdays with Tailored, where we will bring you tips like this. Thanks for watching.